What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Lincoln Nautilus smart key remote fob. This Lincoln Nautilus key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do is grab the key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this kind of long slot right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. What I'm going to do is take my key and push it in that slot. It'll only go in about that far, but make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm going to angle it up and push up on that back cover like that. Then once we get the back cover off, we see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to grab a small screwdriver or even something with like a point on it will work. It just needs to fit down in that notch right there. Get your screwdriver, whatever tool you're using, in that notch and get under the battery and pop it out of that holder. Then we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'll kind of tuck this edge in first like that and then snap it down into place. Then we'll grab our back cover, and you'll notice on one side of the back cover there's these two small tabs. Those will go towards the top, and we're going to slide them in first like that, and then snap the back cover down, slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.